This is the procedure I'm going to use to bleed this master cylinder. This is for a 1997 Ford F350. I've got two ways of doing it. Method A, method B. They didn't give you hoses or these fittings here, so I'm going to go ahead and do it the method A. And if you want to read that, you can just freeze that and read it. But basically what you do is set this thing up level. Never done it this way before. Set it up level. Pour fluid in here, just enough fluid to get this to start running out these ports right here. Once it starts to run out, put these plugs in. There's this bigger one here that goes in that one, smaller one that goes in that one, and then you just pump this piston with short strokes, maybe an inch or so, back and forth until you stop hearing air come out inside the reservoir. So that's what we're going to do. And then we'll put it on the truck and bleed the brakes out. So first thing I'm going to do is put some fluid in here. Just using .3. That should be enough to make a mess. Didn't say to plug this one. But I would think that if I have to plug these, this is where this switch goes. There's got to be pressure here too. I would think it would just squirt out here. We'll find out. Looks like it might be running out of this one here. I'm going to use this. Doesn't really fit very well. It is tapered. I guess it's kind of tightening up. Seems to me it's just going to come squirting out the top hole here. I guess I could put the sensor in there. Oops. That should better fit in there. Putting it in a vise, I'm just going to push it up against here. So I can push on the top. Get some light on this. I'm going to put some more in there. Good job. Spilled it all over the place. Doesn't seem tight. There. I guess that's all there is to it.